Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to bring you guys a different video. Me and my daughters decided to make slime today. So basically we've been doing homeschooling and I have to do an activity every day for them. So we decided to make slime an easy way. So the materials you're going to need for this is going to be foaming shave cream. You're going to need contact solution. So any brand, we use the Renew brand. You're going to need water. You're going to need white glue, so Elmer's glue, or they have some in the 99-cent store. You can use that one as well, but just make sure it's white liquid glue, and you're also going to need baking soda. So for this one, you don't need the boric acid, and you don't need the laundry detergent. This was super easy to do. As you're going to see in the video, it's going to go step by step on what to put in first. Now you have the option to keep the slime white. Let's say you don't have food coloring in hand, or you don't have any paint. You can keep it white and the texture is still gonna come out the same. But we did use paint from the 99-cent store. It's a little Crayola paint. And there's some other varieties there as well. And we also use food coloring. So if you guys have food coloring in hand, you just need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you make this with your kids. Now that we're in quarantine and we're staying home, you should have some of these products on hand, or maybe all of them, because these are things that we've been couponing throughout our time of couponing. So let's jump right into the video.